What is up, everybody? Today we are going to attempt to make spicy Mongolian beef. So let's jump right into it. Here we have minced ginger, diced up onions, as well as cubes for texture purposes, bell peppers, and green onions. So here we're going to make the sauce. We're going to have 2 tablespoons of hoisin sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sriracha sauce, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, and 4 tablespoons of water. Give that all mixed. On to the next step. Here we have cornstarch, and we have thinly sliced beef. Doesn't matter what type you have, just get some beef and slice it real thin and coat it with cornstarch. Then after that, straight into the fryer, and we're going to fry this until it becomes golden brown, nice and crispy. Once you are done frying your beef, it should come out looking just like this. Next up, we have some minced garlic, which I bought from the store already chopped, and all the other prep ingredients. Toss all that into the wok, and we're going to cook it until it becomes very fragrant and translucent. Then we're going to add the sauce that we made earlier, and of course the crispy fried beef. Give everything a good mix, and your dinner should be served just like this. So yeah, thank you everyone for watching my videos. Hope you enjoy. Be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.